got a delivery today.
It's our new mattress because this is a 30-year-old mattress. It's boo-how, no good. So we ordered this Nectar mattress.
And it is actually destined for the bus.
Someday this is on the bus.
Someday.
But for right now,
We are ready for sweet dreams.
sweet dreams, the best mattress of your life or something like that. Open this. Start to locate the cutter. This is the cutter. I've located the cutter. Taking the cutter out of the pipe. See? Cutter. Step 1. Locate cutter. Check. Step 2. Place mattress on bed or frame. Cut inner plastic. Let's do it.
Should I pull that?
No. I can get it.
You can get it. Oh yeah. You pulled the cardboard right out from under it. Like a magician.
This is what it looks like. This is a mattress. This is a
All
mattress.
rolled up.
It's a mattress taco burrito. Okay, I hope this thing doesn't go boom when I cut this.
Me too.
I hope I don't die.
I hope you don't cut the mattress.
Like the cutter won't allow it. Oh, and here we go.
That's why they
Stand back.
have that special cutter in there. It didn't go boom.
Didn't.
Not even close.
No.
It's still a
It was
burrito.
actually quite boring.
Oh, there's another liner.
Oh.
Oh, what was instruction? Your instruction was outer liner.
I did that first. That's the outer one.
Yeah.
Carrying through your mattress. Okay. Place the mattress on bed or bed frame. Look at this.
Oh,
Let me see.
nope.
Nope. Oh, wait, we gotta take this mattress off.
Oh, right.
What are we doing?
We've removed the 50-year-old mattress and we've placed the brand new mattress on the 50-year-old box spring.
Okay, now it looks just like the picture.
Now it looks just like the picture.
Now carefully cut off the outer plastic. Your Nectar will be encased in the vacuum sealed plastic. Unroll the mattress with the inner plastic still in place. Cutter.
Huh.
I'm not sure what's happening.
There it goes.
Ba-ba-da! It's alive! It's alive!
Oh my gosh, what size did we order? Because it's actually folded in half. Oh, I see. It needs to rotate now 90 degrees.
I'm only going to do what the instructions tell me to do. Cut the inner plastic. Once you have placed the Nectar in the exact spot you want, be sure that it is right side up. Then you can feel free to cut the inner plastic and watch the mattress expand to its full size and plush comfort.
Oh, those are pillows in there. Wow. Shouldn't you get the pillows out?
It said put it in the exact spot that you wanted it. We'll get the pillows out later. Okay, here we go.
The cutter is disappointing me. I guess it's only good for 2 cuts.
Does it smell bad?
Good.
Some people who had reviews that said they smell bad. I don't smell anything bad.
There's one pillow.
It's amazing, that's a pillow.
There's two
Flat as a
pillows.
pancake. They're flat as a pancake.
Don't eat this.
2 points. You made it in that box.
It's worse than trying to put on a fitted sheet. So exciting. Our daughter Jessica has one of these. Okay, let's read the instructions. See how we did. We recommend giving the Nectar mattress 24 to 72 hours to expand fully in order for the best possible results. Well, that is dumb.
Can't wait to sleep on it in
What are
3
you doing
days.
now, Brentley?
I'm gonna put the old mattress in the box.
Oh yeah, good luck with that. Go ahead. Go ahead. Maybe you should lay the box on its side and you can shove it in there.
Okay, put the box down there and shove it in.
Okay.
No. I don't think so. I don't think it works that way.
Dang it. That's been about 2 minutes. It's coming along. Those pillows are flat as a pancake. I just don't know about those.
Oh, we're free.
We'll see.
You gotta blow them up.
It's probably 20 hours. It's been 20 hours since we set the bed up. Look at that. The pillows really surprised me the most. Remember, they were flat as a pancake. They have puffed up. I think we'll sleep on it tonight. 24 hours to 3 days. I think 24 hours is enough. It looks very sleepable. If we get sheets.
Morning, how'd you sleep?
Perfect.
She slept perfect. Why did she sleep perfect? Because of this new mattress we bought. It's a Nectar. And it's really quite nice. It was mid-December when we got the mattress and put it together.
And we've been sleeping on it ever since.
We've been sleeping on it ever since. Now it's mid-March, so it's been 3 months. We've been sleeping on this for 3 months. And we're very pleased with it. We're very pleased with our new mattress.
Yeah, we went from a queen to a full.
Yeah.
We don't miss
No.
the extra mattress at all.
No, we got a full because our intention when we build our Skoolie school bus someday, soon, hopefully,
Let's
Is-
put this
is
mattress.
to use this mattress in it. So anyway, if you're looking for a mattress, I wouldn't suggest going to a mattress store. That's the old way to buy a mattress. Buy one of these mattresses in a box. They're impressive. You know, it came in that box, you saw it, and it puffed up to a full-size mattress. The pillows went from flat as a pancake to this, and we're very pleased. So anyway, 2 thumbs up for Nectar mattresses from
Not
us.
Sponsored.
Not sponsored. Yeah, shocker. All right,
Enjoy the ride.
enjoy the ride.
Wear a helmet.
Wear a helmet. Hey, what's next? Oh, never mind. We're not going to tell you what's next.